Paul Richardson, business is Principal Estate Management, and I'm the Finance Manager. Principal Estate Management, founded in 2017 by Brett Williams and Joe Jobson. We manage around 280 sites throughout the UK for residential property management with about 8,000 units. So we look after the general maintenance of these properties through service charge that we make. The standards of service are the thing we look for and hope for excellence in that. Brett Williams RMD has worked with Protocol for over 20 years now, so he knows the excellence of the candidates that they supply, and we've probably had about 8 apprentices that have joined, and they've all been of a very excellent standard. We've got people in at a starter level who've come in with good academic qualifications. We've managed to mould them into model employees. We've got diverse interests, for example, credit control, one of our apprentices doing. The other one's interested in financial accounts. So we've got different skill sets, but they've really merged into the business well, and we're proud of them. I would definitely recommend apprenticeships to other businesses. It's the way forward. You can get good A-level students who've come in and are keen and willing to work really well with us, and they've been very beneficial.